Today we're going to be looking at the new Tecno Phantom V Flip 2. In as much as flip and foldable phones were really cool, one of the most asked questions is on the durability of the hinge. Well, to answer your question, the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2 is not only sleek, but the build is also premium and sturdy. With a price tag of only 78,500 Kenyan shillings, hii ni one of the most affordable flip phones in the market right now, na inakuja na a ton of features. For starters, inakuja na an upgraded battery from the 4000 mAh found in the Flip 1 to a 4720 mAh battery that's even larger than most of the competitors right now. It also supports 70 watts fast charge that goes from 0 to 50 in just 15 minutes. The cover display pia imekuja na a whole lot of improvements. Measuring 3.64 inches, it's an AMOLED display that helps you access all your day-to-day apps easily. You also get these fun pet animations and games to help you pass the time. The main display is a massive 6.9 LTPO AMOLED screen with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And if you're worried about the crease, it's barely visible. To be quite honest, for the week I've used it, kuna sometimes hata nasahau I'm using a flip phone. To the camera setup, the Phantom V Flip 2 is equipped with dual 50 megapixel cameras with optical image stabilization and record videos up to 4K at 30 FPS. The pictures are not too saturated with a good balance between vibrance and sharpness. Just like the Fold, the Flip inakuja na cutouts na all the cool AI features. This includes AI erase, boosting your editing, sketch to image helping you bring all your ideas to life, and AI writing and summarizer that makes your life a whole lot easier. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020, backed with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. If you ask me, the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2 is one of the best flip phones in the market and one that I would highly recommend. So make sure you drop by our shop and get yours. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.